Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Nibbler drill attachments that are available on the market for their true quality. These tools are perfect for cutting metal, plastic, and other materials with precision, whether you're working on a DIY project or professional repairs. You can find product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Double Head Sheet Metal Cutter by DEWALT. This Nibbler drill attachment is designed for users who need versatility and precision in their cutting tasks. It features a 360-degree double cutting head, allowing you to cut straight lines, curves, and even intricate circles. Like many of its competitors, it works with drills operating between 1,500 to 3,000 RPM and can handle materials up to 14-gauge steel, making it suitable for a variety of DIY and professional applications. The build quality is solid, with HSS cutting blades that are durable and effective against sheet metal, corrugated material, pipes, stainless steel, and even plastic. However, the design feels a bit heavier compared to other options, which might be a concern for prolonged use. The price wasn't available at the time of this review, so it's harder to gauge its value proposition. But it's been on the market since 2018 and has consistently received positive reviews, with a 4.4-star rating from over 1,600 buyers. In terms of performance, the DEWALT cutter handles most materials well, but it doesn't stand out in any particular category. It's a reliable all-rounder for home projects and car repairs. But it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked products. If you're looking for a solid, no-frills option, this one might be worth considering. Pros: versatile cutting capability, durable materials. Cons: slightly heavy and unclear pricing. At number 4, we have the REXBETI Double Head Sheet Nibbler Metal Cutter. Built with high-speed steel HSS blades, this attachment is designed for cutting a wide range of materials, from sheet metal and plastic to stainless steel and fiberglass. Like others on this list, it features a 360-degree swiveling head, which allows for precise cuts along straight lines, curves, and circles. The build quality is robust, with a powder-coated finish that resists wear and tear from heavy use. It's compact and straightforward, making it a user-friendly choice for beginners and professionals alike. However, this model is slightly heavier than some competitors, weighing 2.22 pounds, which could impact comfort during extended use. Additionally, while it handles 14-gauge materials with ease, it's not as effective on thicker or highly corrugated surfaces. In terms of value, the REXBETI Nibbler is a strong contender for DIYers and those tackling occasional home or auto repair projects. It's not the most advanced option, but its durability and versatility make it a reliable choice. Pros: durable HSS blades, versatile material compatibility. Cons: heavier than some alternatives, limited to 14-gauge steel. Coming in at number 3 is another REXBETI product, the Double-Headed Sheet Metal Nibbler in gold. This model is an upgraded version of the previous REXBETI Nibbler, featuring additional accessories such as a cutting hole accessory and a step drill bit. It's designed to work with drills operating at 1,500 to 3,000 RPM, making it suitable for cutting various materials, including stainless steel, copper, aluminum, and more. The gold finish gives it a sleek look, and the included accessories add extra functionality for more complex tasks. The 360-degree cutting head ensures that you can handle straight cuts, curves, and circles with ease. This model is slightly lighter than the previous REXBETI option, making it more comfortable for extended use. However, it still struggles with highly corrugated materials, which limits its versatility in certain professional applications. If you're looking for a mid-range option with a few extra features, this REXBETI Nibbler is a solid choice. It's particularly well-suited for automotive and household repairs. Pros: additional accessories included, lighter design. Cons: limited performance on corrugated materials. In second place, we have the VEVOR Double Head Sheet Metal Nibbler Cutter. At just $23.02, this is the most affordable option on our list. But don't let the price fool you. It's packed with features. This nibbler is designed for use with a wide range of drills and can cut through carbon steel, stainless steel, plastic and wood with ease. It's rated for materials up to 1.6 millimeters thick for carbon steel and 1.2 millimeters for stainless steel. The VEVOR cutter comes with a variety of accessories, including a step drill bit, a plastic handle, and an iron toolbox for storage. Its 360-degree rotating head offers excellent flexibility, allowing you to tackle straight lines, curves, and even intricate shapes. However, it's not suitable for corrugated steel, which limits its usage in some industrial settings. Despite this limitation, its lightweight design and user-friendly operation make it an excellent choice for DIYers and occasional users. Overall, the VEVOR Nibbler delivers incredible value for its price. It's the perfect option for budget-conscious buyers who still want reliable performance. Pros: affordable, versatile, includes multiple accessories. Cons: not suitable for corrugated steel. And finally, at the top spot, we have the DEWALT metal shear cutter drill attachment. Priced at $59.99, this premium option is ideal for professionals and heavy-duty users. It features a 360-degree pivoting head that provides unmatched maneuverability, making it easy to cut through 18-gauge materials, including sheet metal, corrugated metal, ductwork, and even steel mesh. The build quality is exceptional, as expected from DEWALT. With a lightweight yet durable design, it's impact-ready and works seamlessly with most 18V to 20V impact drivers and drills, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of tools. The 1/4-inch hex shank allows for quick and easy attachment, making it a breeze to set up and use. Performance-wise, this attachment offers clean, burr-free cuts, even on thicker materials, making it a favorite for professional contractors. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the DEWALT metal shear cutter is worth every penny for those who need a reliable, high-performance tool. Pros: exceptional build quality, precise and versatile, compatible with impact drivers. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy cutting.